Filipino, what the got the gang, yo, got we bad, we bad. Yeah.
Richard.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so looking good. So good.
So, sana ay magustuhan ito ng ating mga kaibigan sa trabaho. So, see you soon!
I had a good time on my holiday party like in 1990. What's up, my Filipino? Filipino, what the got the gang, yo, got we bad, we bad. Yeah. Don't eat squash, but hey y'all, how y'all doing?
Sneaker and Skarma don't eat squash. Pass tonight.
Hello, friends, how y'all doing? Love and happiness.
Traveled around, went and seen family, and now I'm back in South Carolina.
That's good. So, James, that's chicken stew
Chicken stew.
cooked with squash,
Okay.
coconut milk, green beans.
Wow. Sweet. Nice. I like it. I really like it. Yes. To all my fans, I ask you to subscribe back to my channel. Watch us on our channel and let us know what you think of us. I would like to say a shout out to all of my friends and family. This is great, Joy. Really.
Thank you, James.
Please try. Please try. Very good. Yes.
Hello, sis and brother in the Philippines. I'm fixing to eat Mama Joy's food.
That's right.
Luther. So that's chicken stew
How y'all doing?
with coconut milk, squash, and green beans.
Okay. Man, I tell you what, tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama.
Slap my mama. Don't you be slapping my mama. That's
Friday. Friday.
Friday.
You seen the movie?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where it came
from. Yeah.
Hi everyone. Like and subscribe to videos. We thank y'all for y'all support. We love y'all. Y'all be safe over there. And Mama Joy, she keeps stuffing us.
Ginataang kalabasa and beans with chicken for Jimmy. So that's chicken stew cooked with coconut milk, string beans, squash, and of course chicken, coconut milk and coconut cream.
It's bone licking.
Kim.
It tastes pretty good. I miss this cooking.
So rice is left to you now.
I love rice. But I miss
the Filipino cooking.
right.
He missed the Filipino cooking.
For real. Bone licking good. It tastes pretty good, don't it? For real. Very good. This is very good. I might need seconds on this one. Oh, this is so good. Too good. It's so good. Ain't nothing like it. Nothing. Seconds.
It's in seconds.
It's real good. Taste. I think she got my mama jealous. I'm telling you. I want some more, Joe.
Oh, he wants some more.
very tasty. Everything was excellent. And don't forget, subscribe. Mama Joe Life.
So Gino, that's a chicken stew with coconut milk, squash, and green beans.
It's good. It's real. It's good, Joy. That hot sauce do something to it now. I'm gonna take the squash.
So you better believe Miss Patrice, cause if she don't like it, she was.
I never had no squash like that, Joy.
That's a butternut
Good
squash.
Albino.
Butternut.
Better than
Now
like
the
that
yellow squash, the round yellow squash that you use for the casserole
They're
is
good.
different. But the butternut squash is kind of sweet.
It's delicious. It's
Thank
delicious.
you.
This is good.
You need some.
Dang,
This is good. I want to give a shout out to Joy for feeding us
Thank
and
you.
feeding all the hungry around here. Appreciate
Thank
you, Joy.
Miss Joy.
Thank
You
you.
know, I
It's
cook
good
a
right
lot.
That's napkins over there.
Yeah, that's not good. Thank you, Miss Patrice.
Joy, you need to do this again.
That was good, Miss Joy.
She said do that.
You need to do this again.
So trip everyone. So that's chicken stew with squash, green beans, and coconut milk,
Coconut milk, okay.
and with other onions,
Yeah.
ginger. So you have a lot of fans now, huh?
I do, thanks to you. That was so. What's funny?
You're famous now.
I'm famous in a corner of the Philippines. Thank you.
Sure.
It's good, really, really good. Delicious. You know what it reminds me of?
What?
Kindergarten.
What?
We had, after nap time, sometimes we'd have like, I think it wasn't like this, but it was something similar, like a chicken and dumpling. Like, you ever had chicken and dumplings?
Yeah.
Something about it.
Soup.
Yeah, it was a similar, maybe it was the milk of, what did you say?
Coconut milk.
Milk of magnesia?
Coconut milk. You got that.
Richard.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, so good. Oh, good.
Thank you, Trip.
Boy. Sound like I was saying my work.
Mr. Robert, chicken stew with squash and green beans
Tastes good.
with coconut milk.
Yeah, tastes good. And what you got in there? Coconut milk.
The broth is with coconut milk.
And beef stew.
That's a chicken.
Right.
Chicken stew,
Stew,
with
okay.
squash and green
Squash.
beans. And with other seasoning.
Tastes great. We have 2 thumbs up on this deal.
He said 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, I like it.
Is it hot enough? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Certainly is. Real good.
Tell Byron to get some chicken.
I'm gonna tell him about it. As soon as I go back over here. All right, Philippine. Food is great.
Bone licking good.
Absolutely. You would have known if it wasn't good. I wouldn't have done that.
Thank you, Mr. Robert.
All right, take care.
Ray, everyone.
It's good. Tastes like chicken pot pie without the crust.
You said it tastes like chicken pot pie without the crust?
It's good. I might save my lunch for tomorrow.
Huh?
As I eat this, I'll probably just save my lunch for tomorrow. Everybody in the Philippines, shout out to y'all. It's really good. Tastes like chicken pot pie without the crust.
Thank you, Ray. Jeff.
So. In your words,
What's
your words, what's up?
What's the area code in Philippines?
Oh, it depends. Every province has got different area code.
Yeah, they gonna go.
But we want to give a shout out to the
Good,
608.
So shout out to all the Filipino na lang.
Shout out to all the Filipinos. To the 608, the 352,
803, 305.
803,
You know 305 is on.
305, Dade County,
Dade County.
352,
29803.
Orange and Blue.
29812.
904 Duval County.
You're silly.
Duval.
608 Wisconsin, baby.
Mia is eating here on the side. She's not feeling well.
Hey y'all. It's pretty good.
All you can hear is her voice.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good, y'all.
How's your sister, Maya?
She's doing alright.
That's good.
She's doing just fine.
Yeah, I could have took a plate of this.
I can tell you what.
So how was it? Because you said you don't like the squash.
Yeah, I don't eat.
I didn't give him no squash and green beans.
It's delicious.
How you not get him no squad? And it's all mixed in together.
What's up? You're cooking some my back.
Oh, you want to go on this one? I still got more.
Okay.
With rice in it?
Jeff said he don't want to go.
Yeah.
With, you want rice?
I can use my same bowl.
I'll use this one.
Checking your head for.
This is so good.
Yeah, this chicken.
Bowl in the break.
I got some for James.
McCracken.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Mr. Kevin, everyone. Kelvin, everyone. With squash, green beans, cooked with coconut milk, ginger, onions, garlic,
I'm glad I don't taste the coconut.
seasoning. It's not coconut meat.
Milk.
Milk.
I know. It's good. What's the yellow shell?
Butternut squash.
You waiting for me to say something, right?
They're waiting.
Let them wait.
Whatever.
You have what season you have in here?
Black pepper, salt, nor cubes.
No garlic.
Yeah, with the garlic, onions.
Really, you do?
You saute it with garlic, ginger, and onions. That's the always main thing in Philippines.
So now you ready for me to say something about it?
Yeah.
Sure.
Done.
First of all, how is everybody doing? It was good, Joy. It was great.
Thank you.
I gave you a 10. It was excellent.
10 again.
Yeah.
They were so happy that you gave me 10 straight.
Yeah, it's good. Just don't screw up.
You don't have no Filipino name, it's just chicken stew.
Ginataan.
Ginataang.
Kalabasa
There you go.
with chicken.
Ginataang. Kalabasa.
Kalabasa is squash.
Okay.
Ginataang kalabasa and sitaw or green beans
Good.
with manok. It's a long name. It's a long Filipino name.
I feel okay.
Mia, you cannot see no Mia today, but you can hear her voice.
Y'all see me next time.
Thank you, Mr. James and Mia.
No problem.
What they call Joy?
Ginataang kalabasa chicken stew with squash and green beans with coconut milk.
Say the name again.
Ginataang kalabasa and sitaw.
Kalabasa
And sitaw.
and SITAW. Good. Without squash.
So you put the squash aside. Can't taste it?
I don't like scrub because my grandma used to cook it every day.
When I was young, and you ain't had no choice, you had to eat.
Squash casserole?
No, just fried squash. Use a boiled okra, fried okra. I don't like that. Why I don't like okra. And then speak be real slamming. Like, it's like, better eat it. Like, I was forced to eat. I won't eat it now. Hi friends, for Joy Restaurant. Chicken stew soup with green beans is good. Abuhay.
How y'all doing though? My
It's late.
Philippine man.
Food's gone.
Y'all miss me?
Yeah.
Yeah.